Hey guys, Tech Made Easy here, and I am going to do a review, and I'm also going to try to include some installation tips. Got my first ever basketball hoop. I looked around and I wanted a backboard that was as big as possible, but I wanted to also stay within a certain budget. Okay, and so this is it. Now I picked this up at Amazon. Now this specific model currently is out of stock. It's July 18th, I believe, right now, 2020. But it's going to be back in stock soon. So I'm going to include the link in the description, because if you want to spend $138, and I'll show you the product, but $138, with free shipping from Amazon. Now, if you want a 32-inch backboard, you can get that for $99. It says it's pretty much made for the youth. Okay, this is very flexible here. So guys, it includes a classic rim. All right, the pole telescopes, so it goes anywhere from 7.5 feet to 10 feet. Okay, no tools required, but you're going to need tools to build it, just so you'll know. And the base has wheels. So this is known as a portable basketball hoop, again, made by LifeTime. It's got a 5-year warranty and is made in the US of A. Okay, so made by LifeTime. Now let's take a look at the product here. So here it goes. All right, now I don't know the height I have it set at, to be honest with you, but I wanted to put it as high as I could, and I still have room to actually put it up even higher. So let's take a look at the product. So as you can see here, there's your wheels. All right, so you just tilt the pole when you want to move it. Now, I'll be honest, if you have sand or you have water in this thing, it's going to be pretty hard. So I believe you have to empty it out. I could be wrong. This is my first one. Now, as you can see, it's got the LifeTime logo. It's got these poles reinforced. It's got the plug back there, which is where you put the sand in or the water. Okay. Now, when you put this together, you're basically going to start by actually connecting these poles to the base, okay? And there's a screw on the bottom. So once you do that, they're gonna have you start to build the pole itself, and you're gonna, pretty much build the pole itself using the paperwork that they gave you. And I'm gonna show you some of the back where it was a little tricky. The paperwork wasn't as clear. So this isn't really going to be an instruction video, but if someone's got questions, they can ask it. So as you can see here, you've got screws going through the pole itself, and let me zoom out a little bit more. Okay, and then you've got screws going into the actual hoop itself, really strong. All right, so as you can see there. And the other thing is that was a little confusing was when you get these brackets that you see here. You see these brackets, they were straight. So when you put them on here, and then they show you, the diagram in the book almost looks like it comes with like 4 back brackets when it only comes with 2. And the reason why is they're asking you to bend these out. So because of the little notch, see the little notch there? All right, that notch basically allows you to bend these. Okay, so you can bend them out, so you can then screw them into the back. And I will tell you, the holes didn't match up too well, but I was able to finagle it into getting in and being really strong. So this is on really strong. We've decided to use water instead of sand initially here at the house. Okay, but listen, I mean, for $138, 44-inch backboard, and I mean my trees are pretty high. So really nice. And then I went out and picked up, and I'll include this in the description too, I wanted a nice ball. I wanted a good quality ball, but I wanted it to be a standard size ball. So we picked this up as well. I forgot the price. This is actually made by Champion Sports. All right, and it comes in different colors, so which is cool. You can get yellow and red, and we decided to get green. Now let me tell you something. A ball around that dog she's going nuts right now because she thinks that every ball is for her to play with. And she's being really good. So I will have to give her a treat later on. You keep being good, okay? But normally, I cannot bounce a ball or play with a ball with her around. So guys, look, that's it. You know, simple, short, to the point. If you have questions about putting yours together, you know, I'll help you as much as I can. I think that's what makes this channel unique. All right? So that's it. This is the LifeTime basketball hoop. And do us a favor, a couple of things. Number one, thumbs up will help the channel. We appreciate thumbs up. Number two, if you find the video helpful, forward it, share it to people. Sharing the videos helps. And using our links in the description will actually help our channel, because we do get a small commission from Amazon, and we're looking to try to get affiliations with Walmart and Home Depot also, but we don't have that yet. But if you use our links in the description and you decide to get the basketball hoop, or you decide to get the ball, or if you use our links and get anything, you help our channel. Okay? So with that, I'm going to thank you. If you're a new subscriber, click Tech Made Easy on the upper right hand corner. Click View Channel, and don't forget to hit the bell after you subscribe so you get notified of new videos. On the left side, I am going to put some playlists so you guys can choose from. Maybe I'll do a Brooklyn playlist so you could see some of her videos. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day.